My name is Reverend Dr. Robert L. Polk, and I am the initiator of this series, the Polk Lecture on Race and Social Justice.
I really believe the lectureship became to be because Dr. Polk was relentless. America and Doane and surrounding places continue to be fractured, fragmented, and frail. And if we don't create a space where we can have braver conversations, it's not going to make a difference.
It allows conversations to start. And I think that any change making in this world starts with conversations. It starts when people come together, and also gives an opportunity to think and self-reflect about where am I in this journey to becoming an inclusive leader. And that's exactly what the Polk Lectureship does.